everyone. We're going to be making the Aperol Spritz. Aperol is an Italian liqueur that brings a distinct bitter flavor. We counter the bitterness in this cocktail with the sweetness from orange juice and sparkling wine. We're going to start out by making sure our wine glass is clean and free of any cracks or chips. Then we're going to fill it 3/4 of the way full with ice. Next up, I'm going to add in an ounce of Aperol, 2 ounces of orange juice, about 3 ounces of sparkling wine. Garnish for this one goes in the glass. We got half an orange wheel, turbo straw, and it's ready to serve.